Can your auto insurance be canceled after making a claim? Have you ever wondered if your auto insurance could be canceled after you file a claim? This is a common concern for many drivers, and the answer is not as straightforward as you might think. Yes, your auto insurance can indeed be canceled after making a claim, but several factors come into play. First, let's clarify what cancellation means. Cancellation occurs when either you or the insurance company terminates the policy before its scheduled end date. Insurance companies typically have the right to cancel a policy within the first 60 days for almost any reason, as long as they comply with state laws. After this initial period, the reasons for cancellation become more specific. For instance, insurers can cancel your policy for reasons such as non-payment of premiums, filing a fraudulent claim, or if your driver's license or vehicle registration is suspended or revoked. It is important to note that filing a legitimate claim does not automatically lead to cancellation. However, if a claim is deemed fraudulent, the likelihood of cancellation increases significantly. Insurance companies may also be cautious about renewing your policy if you have multiple claims. But usually, a single legitimate claim does not require cancellation. If your insurer decides to cancel your policy after you file a claim, they must provide you with written notice. This notice should explain the reason for cancellation and typically comes with a minimum notice period, which is often around 10 days. If you receive a cancellation notice after making a claim, it is wise to contact your insurance agent immediately. They can help you understand the reason for the cancellation and discuss options like reinstatement or switching to another insurer. If you find it challenging to secure a new insurer due to the cancellation, some states offer assigned risk plans. These plans provide minimum coverage for high-risk drivers. You also have the option to cancel your own claim after filing it, but only if the claim has not yet been processed or approved. Keep in mind that canceling your claim does not guarantee that your policy will remain unaffected, but it may lower the risk of cancellation. In summary, while your auto insurance can be canceled after making a claim, it usually depends on the nature of the claim and the specific circumstances surrounding it. Legitimate claims typically do not lead to cancellation, but insurers have the legal right to cancel or not renew policies under certain conditions. Always review your policy terms and state regulations, and communicate promptly with your insurer if you receive a cancellation notice.